Oh my gosh, guys, today is the first day on my own. I mean, a full school day, 9 to 3, in the last 3 years. My youngest has his first full day at nursery today, which means I have literally got hours on my own on a Monday. And I didn't really know what to do with myself at first, but I quickly got busy and was busy for the entire day. So I thought I'd just show you what I got up to. First of all, I did a food shop because it is a Monday morning and that's when I like to do a food shop, get everything ready for the week. So I'm just unpacking everything into the kitchen. It felt so good not to have to rush it and to actually take time and think about what I was going to cook for dinner every night, and to be able to come home and clean the fridge before I put everything away. So I'm just wiping down the inside of the fridge with some flash spray. Just thought I'd take the moment to wipe it down, seeing as I've got the time. I've also got some new fridge storage from Temu. I work with Temu over on Instagram and I always have discount codes on there if you want to take a look. I've got this cute little egg storage device that I'm going to pop in the fridge. And these handy little drawers that I thought would be really good for the apples and pears and things for the kids that they always want to grab multiple times a day. This little basket I thought would be great for like snacky bits like fridge raiders and things for lunch boxes, and these little like bucket storage are so handy for little bits like this and pepperonis. And this is the star of the show today though, this can dispenser, because we do love a can of fizzy drink in this house. So this just neatens it all up, and obviously when you pull one out it just pushes the next one forward. I was very happy with this. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on unpacking the shopping and restocking the fridge, which is the first thing that I wanted to do today. And once this is all done, I will get on with the next job of the morning. Okay, so there are some little niggly jobs I wanted to do, like replenishing the boys' toothpaste. They have this handy little toothpaste dispenser in the downstairs toilet, and both of the toothpastes, were empty. So I'm just popping a fresh one in for each of the kids. And heading into the laundry room, which I always dread doing because there's always so much to do in here. Clean washing to go upstairs, clean uniforms to be ironed. All of these bits and pieces need to go upstairs as well. And then I noticed the surfaces were gross, so I took a second to just spray and wipe down the entire surface of the laundry room. Once that was done, I could get on with the laundry for today. I'm going to take this clean and dry white load off of the rack, fold it all up, ready to go upstairs. A couple of bits were still a tiny bit damp, so I kept them on the rack just to dry a little bit more thoroughly, but everything else could be taken upstairs. Once upstairs, I just had to sort of divide everything up into the right people and the right piles, and then put everything away into the right wardrobes. Whilst putting this towel away, our crazy cat decided to hide inside of this cupboard, and I had to coax her out. Okay, clean washing is all away, so I'm going to make the beds, which I didn't have time to do in the Monday rush this morning. Going to start with our bed, go into my toddler's room and make his bed. My eldest son makes his own bed now, so that's one less job for me. Going to have a bit of a tidy up in here as well, in his little reading corner where it's just a little bit untidy. Going to put some order together in here. And I really wanted to vacuum the carpets upstairs today. That was one thing in my mind that I wanted to make sure that I had time to do today. So I'm going to go through every single bedroom and the landing as well, making sure everything is thoroughly vacuumed. And just to finish it off, I'm going to grab some Febreze fabric spray and give each bedroom a little bit of a spritz. Which brings me back downstairs. I'm going to put Netflix on. I've heard people talking about this baby reindeer. To be honest, I'm a little bit undecided about it, but I'm going to have it on in the background while I iron my son's school uniforms. Just going to set everything up that I need and iron the uniforms before I hang them in his room upstairs. Honestly, his uniforms are the only thing I iron because I want him to look smart at school. I don't bother with anything else. But that was it. That was my child-free morning. I've made some scrambled egg to celebrate. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.